Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to set up this knob style volume bar on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So with the Good Lock Sound Assistance plugin, you can add a unique knob style volume control bar on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So this basically replaces the traditional slider with a circular dial that looks more cool, and it offers a smoother audio control on your Samsung phone. So let me show you how you can enable this. So to enable this, you want to first go ahead and open up the Galaxy Store. In the Galaxy Store, you're looking for an app called Good Lock. Go ahead and search for that. Go ahead and install this app. Once installed, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app itself, you're looking for a plugin called Sound Assistance. So go ahead and scroll down and find Sound Assistance. So this is the plugin you're looking for. Tap on this. Now from here, find the settings. Make your own volume panel colors. So go ahead and tap on this. Go ahead and turn this feature on. And now go ahead and scroll down, and where it says control type, so currently yours will be selected as a bar. Go ahead and choose the knob setting and then tap on home. And now when you press the volume up and the volume down, you'll see the knob control. If you go back to that Sound Assistant, you can go ahead and configure what kind of shape as well. So you can have a large shape or a small shape. You can control what kind of textures it has inside. You can even have some lighting effect. And once you're happy, tap home. And now when you look at your volume control, and you'll see that knob style volume bar with your Samsung S25 Ultra. So you get more granular and precise control over media, ringtones, and notification volumes, and it adds a modern, premium visual style to your device interface. So there you go guys, that is how to add a knob style volume bar on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.